Today we will focus on boxwood tree, which is known for prized timber, valuable timber, earlier used for box making, so called as boxwood tree. Scientifically, botanically, it is known under the genus Buxus, again derived from box. We have many species. They are represented in America, North America. They are represented in Africa, Europe, Asia, but they are absent from Australia. Earlier they were included under the family Euphorbiaceae, but now they are segregated in its own family called Buxaceae. Under the Buxaceae, we have unique character of its unisexual flowers. Flowers are unisexual, either dioecious in some species, but mostly they are monoecious. And then leaves are coriaceous, thick, and mostly petals are absent. Under the Buxaceae family, we have only two genera. One is Buxus, another is Sarcococca. Both are represented in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu hills, temperate zone of Bilawar Forest Division, Ramnagar Forest Division, Riyasi Forest Division, Rajouri Forest Division, and even in Kashmir, especially in Pahalgam, we have the trees of Buxus wallichiana, that is Wallich's boxwood. In Dogri we call it as Chikhdi, whereas in Hindi it is known under the name Chikri or Papri, as in Uttarakhand, Papri or Papri. Another name, Urdu name, mostly popular in Pakistan is Shamshad. This is the evergreen medium-sized tree. Leaves are opposite, shortly stalked or almost sessile. Flowers are unisexual, without petals, and they are born on the same tree, male and female. Fruit is capsule. Stigma is trilobed. Another genus under the Buxaceae found in Jammu and Kashmir, even in Uttarakhand, is Sarcococca. Here, fruit in comparison to Buxus is a drupe. In Buxus we have a capsule, whereas in Sarcococca it is a drupe. Another distinguishing character, the Buxus are mostly trees, but Sarcococca is shrubby in nature. We find Buxus as a medium tree, but Sarcococca are mostly they are understory shrubs. And leaves are alternate in case of Sarcococca. Sarcococca, in common English, they are known as sweet box or Christmas box because the flowers are whitish and they have the fragrance, so they are called as sweet box. And usually the flowering time is Christmas. Around Christmas we see the flowers in Sarcococca, so also known as Christmas box. But this is not actual box. Actual box comes under genus Buxus, whereas Christmas box or sweet box is under Sarcococca. In Jammu and Kashmir we have Sarcococca saligna, earlier called Sarcococca pruniformis. And in local dialects, Dogri, Pahadi, Gojari, we identify this shrub under the name Ranthli, under the name Dyun, and another name is Sangli. Sangla becomes Litsia or Neolitsia pelens, Litsia ambrosa. Toof Sangli becomes Skimia lariola, but here it is simple Sangli or specific vernacular names Dyun or Ranthli for Sarcococca saligna. But in northeast We have another Sarcococca which is called as Sarcococca hookeryana. This is also found in China and also known as the Himalayan sweet box. So this is found in northeast, hookeryana, named after J.D. Hooker. Another Sarcococca or Christmas box or sweet box is represented in Silent Valley, South India, Kerala, and this is called Sarcococca coriacea. Also we have other species under Sarcococca as Ruscifolia, where the leaves are ruscus-like, and there is Sarcococca orientalis also, and one in representative also in Sri Lanka under the name of Sarcococca zelenica, and all these are known as sweet box, but genus Sarcococca. Another North American desert shrub is also known as grey box bush. Grey box, earlier also named as Buxus chinensis, but presently this has been identified as separate and not in the family Buxaceae, but altogether separate family called as Simonsiaceae, and this is now known as Simonsia chinensis. So Buxus chinensis was the earlier wrongly considered Buxus. It is commonly known as jojoba or goat nut, deer nut, pig nut, and it is under the order Caryophyllales. Whereas the Buxus proper or the Sarcococca, they belong under the order Buxales as per the Angiosperm phylogeny group, 4th classification 2016. In Simonsia chinensis, we find the opposite leaves like Buxus, no doubt, superficial resemblance, but they are dioecious. Male and female are separate bushes and known for long chain, about 36 to 46 carbon chain wax ester, which is used in healthcare products, jojoba oil and wax. But coming to the proper boxwood tree, we have the European species, which is the type species and known as the Buxus sempervirens. This is most popular and widely planted in parks and gardens. Even in Kashmir we find this has been planted as hedge in the Mughal gardens. So this particular Buxus sempervirens wood is close grained, density is more, it is whitish in color. So it was used for the same purpose for which the elephant ivory was used. So as compared to elephant ivory, it was cheap and it was used for cabinet making, flute making also in Europe, especially in UK. It was used for engraving, turnery, tool handles, even the chess pieces, white ones and even other blackish ones, which look like ebony pieces, but they are basically made from Buxus. Earlier, in 16th century, it was also used as the substitute of quinine for the treatment of malarial fever. Buxus sempervirens or European Buxus or common boxwood tree is a storehouse of steroidal alkaloids, cyclobuxine, etc. And for this, it was used in Europe for the treatment of gout, urinary tract infections, worm infestation, skin ailments, even syphilis, hemorrhoids, piles, epilepsy, leprosy, rheumatism, HIV. Homeopathy also includes this earlier and even today as the medicinal plant. The wood of European boxwood or common boxwood has been used in the Gothic waxwood miniatures under the Christian sculpture for the making of the prayer beads, rosary polytechs, altar pieces, even imageries to create the imageries of Mary, crucifixion of Jesus Christ. So wood is very resistant to splitting and chipping. It is fine, it is dense, so it is highly prized for the miniature sculpture, carving, engraving, and even the chess pieces. Even earlier, the wood block printing, which used to be earlier way of printing books, so wooden blocks were usually made of the boxwood tree. There are two other species, Buxus colchica, which is represented in Caucasian Russian region, and another Buxus hircana, represented in around Caspian Sea, Iran also. But now they are also considered as the synonyms of Buxus sempervirens. These hedges are very useful for the topiary work. You can give any shape to the bush because of its sturdy and very dense branching. So this was also used under bonsai also. Globally, we have about 70 species of Buxus box wood trees or shrubs. Evergreen they are. Leaves are opposite and they have the monoecious nature, means on the same tree male and female flowers, no petals and capsules, and seeds are typically shining black, as we find in Buxus wallichiana, our chicory, shamshad also. We have the other species, for example, around Spain also we see, or North Africa, that is called as Balearic box tree, Buxus balearica. Another is Microphylla, which is found in Japan and China also. Another is Buxus macovani, Cape box, which is found in South Africa, and it is endemic to South Africa, especially the Cape region. We have Buxus obtusifolia, which is vulnerable and found in Kenya and Tanzania, African continent. Another species which is found in towards the America, that is Buxus arborea, which is especially vulnerable and found in Jamaica. Another species, Buxus citrifolia, is threatened taxa and is found in Venezuela and Panama. Another species, Buxus vaheli, also known as Vahel's boxwood. This is restricted to Puerto Rico and the Virgin Island. This is critically endangered, means only few individuals are found in the wild, and this need lot of protection, and the limestone quarrying is the main threat to its existence. So we see under the Buxus wallichiana, there is also a report of one box tree moth, which is Sidelima perspectalis. It usually completes its life cycle in this boxwood trees. Boxwood tree under the name chicory is also used for comb making, for making the ladles and other carpentry articles, especially at Shahadra Sharif, Thanamandi in Rajouri district. And this tree grows naturally in Budal area and also in Samanavanj area, Dudu Bisantgarh side, and also in Landar Pancheri. But its regeneration is insignificant, and there is a growing need, as per Baba Ghulam Basha University, Rajouri, Shrikant Pant carried out the research studies on this Buxus wallichiana, and he is of the opinion this is a highly threatened species, which calls for its wider scale multiplication and raising the seedlings in the nurseries. And since the monsoon season is approaching, it is recommended Buxus wallichiana, Himalayan boxwood tree, shamshad, chicory or papri need to be planted on a large scale in Jammu and Kashmir during the monsoon, so that this species, which is on the decline, is conserved and preserved for the future generations, and the livelihoods linked with its wood is also sustained over the future.